Have you guys ever wondered what is star arcs and star quarks is? We'll see that today. First of all, we'll find out the reason why do we need this. For a function, sometimes you will be knowing straightforward what are all the variables you need to pass it. So you can mention that as a parameters in the function definition, and you can pass the arguments during the function call. But what if you don't know what are all the variables you need to send it, or you don't know how many variables you need as the input? So in those cases, star arcs and star quarks comes handy. So star arcs is nothing but it is a variable length positional arguments, and star quarks is nothing but keyword arguments. And whatever that is we are giving, that is also that is a phone. In this case, phone is a fixed length parameter, and the star args is a positional variable length, and double star quarks is nothing but keyword. So we'll see this example for the function by phone. We are giving the values as we are passing the arguments as iPhone, and also red dark shade, and we have given storage equal to 256 GB, 256 GB, and model is equal to 15 Pro. So in this case, the first argument is packed inside this phone parameter, and after that whatever we are giving star args. So star args is nothing but it takes the input, as you see, as you are able to see in this definition, right? So it is takes input as a tuple. So whatever values we are giving after that first parameter, in this case it takes as the it is packed as a tuple under star arcs. So the red and dark shade will packed as a star arcs here, and whatever we are giving as a key value pairs. So here with storage is the key and value is 256 GB. So likewise, whatever we are giving as the storage, then it is taken as star quarks. So keyword arguments is based on the key and not on the position. So we'll see this example here. I'll just run the script. So in this case, it has printed correctly. So what input I have given is first, for the first value, for the first parameter here phone, it has printed iPhone, and for this second thing, it has printed as a tuple. And also for the third quarks, for the third space holder, what it has got is it has got it as a dictionary. It has read it as a dictionary. So you can also give everything as a list or a dictionary. So in this case, I've given another thing. So here specification is nothing but a dictionary, and appearance is nothing but a list, or you can also send it as a tuple. I am calling the function here for the second time, and I'm parsing it. I'm already packing it and sending it. So in this case, star appearance and star specification. If you print it, still you will get the same output. So I have given a different input, but based on the position and based on the keywords, it has found out what variable needs to be there for the values we have given. So it has printed in the correct format. Likewise, for keyword arguments, what you can use is you can unpack the values as well inside the function. So in this case, I am using kwargs.get. So it's not like it is always kwargs. So you can give any variable name. I can give a specs here, and I just call the specs specification. So it's not like you have to definitely use star arcs and star quarks. So you can also change it here. So in this case, I can initialize it to specs.get. And what is this? So this will be the value whichever we are giving here while calling the function. And here, what is the default value? In case I am not at all giving this value, then this value will get printed here. So it takes as a default value. So in this cases, even if you don't pass some values, you can initialize it with the default value and you can use that. So in this case, we'll just print and see here. It has printed 15 Pro and 22 Ultra, since that is what we have given in the input. Say what if I'm just removing the value here? So it should take the default value, which is nothing but 14 Pro. So this is how the star arcs and star quarks work. Thank you.